Today's video is brought to you by Oxedo LED lighting. You might think that you can see just fine at night. Well, I did too, until I did this little upgrade. As you can see from this footage, here is some before Oxedo LED lighting, and here is some after Oxedo LED lighting. The difference is amazing. With high brightness and easy installation, Oxedo LED lighting is definitely the route for you. They're easy to install, and they're available for all makes and models. Click on the link in the description below and enter promo code 612motorsports at checkout to get yourself 15% off. Now back to our video. Hello and welcome back to another episode of 612 Motorsports. In today's episode we have kind of a sad little thing happening, but before we get into that, you know the routine. Go ahead, hit that subscription button, notification bell, leave a comment, thumbs up, all that stuff is super helpful. And now let's get into today's video. As you can see, I've got the 36 Ford here behind me, and well, we sold it, and it's going far away. Actually, it's not going to be staying in the United States anymore. It's going to the wonderful country of Denmark, and we are going to be taking it now to a transporter, which is going to be taking it to Tampa, I believe, where it's going to be getting put into a shipping container, put onto a ship, and brought overseas. So that's what we're doing now. Come on along and see how all of this works out. Well, that's odd. That never happens. There it goes. Oh, yeah. Dad just said he didn't have the power turned on, so. God, I love the sound of that flathead. Just purrs. Oh, it looks nice. The sun hits it, that tan really comes out. It looks kind of green in the garage and in some pictures sometimes, but it's tan. Less than 4,000 of those produced in 1936. Just a sweet little ride in general. Let's get one last little walk around with it here while we can. Now don't worry, there's an empty spot in the garage, and somewhere out there is something waiting to be put in it. These come and go. There will be more. Just sounds so nice. Golly. Those flatheads are truly awesome. I don't know why the younger generation doesn't get into them as much. Alright, transport truck is here. This is always kind of a little stressful and whatnot, this whole part of the deal, because, well, we're just trying to get everything safe and secure and whatnot, and we want to make sure they handle it well, because, you you never know what's going to happen between here and the port, and from the port to Denmark. So So from here it's going to Linden, New Jersey, where it's going to go on a freighter ship up in the northeast, and apparently it's cheaper for them to ship from New York than it is from Miami, which is a lot closer to us, but that's how that stuff works out. So sun isn't helping. Sorry about that, everybody. These things are no joke. Got a Porsche and a Chrysler something or another up there on the upper deck. We're gonna put this right here on the bottom. Oh, there's one for the gas tank. What we got? 4, 5. We got 6 on the chain altogether.
18401.
Correct.
Mileage.
Correct.
Are there any scratches or anything on it?
Scratches not so much.
A couple little paint chips and whatnot.
Just, yeah.
So you guys know I didn't cause them?
Right, right. No, it's lacquer paint, so it like dries and shrinks and then it cracks a little bit. So like that's pretty much what you got.
Right.
Where are we here?
Yellow truck right up there.
Oh, yep.
Yeah, we'll find the back wheel.
Yep.
We'll keep it going.
Yep. Yep. You got about 4 or 5 inches before you hit that.
Oh, you want that deal out of your way, that blue deal in the center?
Just knocked over and you drive over.
Okay. I didn't want you to pump anything. Okay. Smile, Alex. Okay. Got your brake on?
Yep. Get it?
Yep.
Beautiful. All right.
We're good to go.
Yep.
I'll call that number, Alex. I appreciate it, young man.
Oh yeah, thank you.
Take care of the baby.
Will do.
Okay.
Beautiful car.
Thanks. We'll see ya.
You guys have a good-
One last peek before it's gone. If you need anything hauled, this would be a company to give a call to. Pretty good. Located out of Naples, Florida. So because we're on a frontage road and there's some pretty hairy curves up ahead, a little more than what a truck and trailer can handle, he's backing up. He's going to go through the intersection and get onto the road direct. So there it goes. Well, there she goes. Not really sure what's going in the garage in its place, but you can guarantee that it's going to be something pretty damn cool because, well, that's just how we roll. That's going to do it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't be sad because there will be something taking its place. That is a guarantee. As always, stay positive, work hard, and make it happen.